Just like the bezel says, this is a beautiful fitness tracker from Zeblaze. It's called the NEO. It has a variety of watch faces, easily accessible through scrolling, and it has step count information, distance traveled, calories burned, last night's sleep time, and an app drawer that includes an instant start on a sporting activity tracking heart rate, calories, and steps, along with the ability to pause it and end it or lock the screen. You have a Find Your Phone feature. Oh yeah. Heart rate with really large digits on a black background, easy to see outdoors. Blood pressure as well with similarly large digits. You also have stopwatch function, countdown function, information as pushed from your phone to your watch when you're tethered, and a female tracking section if you've set up the app to be registered as a female. In the settings, you got information, brightness control, auto lock, and switching where you can turn on and off all these different kinds of things. It's all in all a really nice, really thin, very attractive fitness watch. Again, it's the Zeblaze NEO. Check it out.